So as this year is about to close, we're getting ready for the new year 2026. I'm excited to share with you an automated trading system that allows you to earn daily passive profits trading the gold markets. This is a system we've been monitoring and testing for the past couple of months. So in this video, we're going to give you a pretty simple and straightforward description of how this system works, going over the benefits, projected profits, and more importantly, share with you verified third-party results. Now, because of its automation, this is something that virtually anybody can leverage to their benefit, regardless if you have little to no trading experience, while at the same time you have access to your capital and your profits at any time through a regulated broker. Like and subscribe if you enjoyed today's video. If you have any questions, feel free to comment down below. You can also reach me more directly via email or Telegram. You can access all my official contact information down below in the video description. And if you like what you see and you want to learn more, you can visit our website down below to join our automation. But without further ado, let's get started with today's video. Now, as a quick disclaimer, understand that when it comes to trading the Forex markets, while these markets provide lucrative opportunities to make money, remember that also goes hand in hand with risk. Any and all information provided in today's video is for educational purposes based off of my own personal experience. Past results are never an indicative or guarantee of future results. Always trade with money that you can afford, but that also aligns with your goals. All right, so let's actually first break down the automation, how it works. And what's cool about this is that you actually have two different options. You can choose to access the automation through copy trader or through a PAM. There are different benefits depending on which avenue you choose. Keep in mind, you're not limited to just one. You can do both the copy trading and the PAM if you choose. But of course, if you visit our website, it'll go into more details about how all of this works. Now, regardless of whichever you choose between the copy trader or the PAM, how we earn is pretty much the same. There's a master account where the trading is conducted, and we earn based off the performance of the master trader. So for example, let's say the master trader earns 3% on the master account. That 3% is going to be reflected onto your account, whether you're connected to the copy trader or subscribed to the PAM. But how that reflects in terms of a dollar value is obviously going to reflect differently depending on the size of your account. A 3% profit on a $100 account is going to look different compared to someone who has a $1,000 account, a $5,000 account, or even $10,000 or more. But again, everybody earns the same percentage based off the performance of the master trader. Now, like I mentioned earlier, this automation specializes in trading the gold markets with an average daily profit return of 1 to 3%. Now, keep in mind, these projections are based off of the numbers that we've seen so far over the last couple of months. Some days we earn less, some days we earn more, and some days we don't earn anything depending on current market conditions. Now, we have two sources to verify the current performance. As you can see here on Social Trader Tools, as of today, which we are in the middle of December, since we started testing and using the system as of November 11th, we are currently up over 45%. And if we scroll down to the bottom, we can see that for the month of November, we earned just under 20%. And again, we're only halfway through December and we're already up over 21%. Now, we can also verify these results not just through Social Trader Tools, but on my FX book as well. So again, starting from November 11th, we can verify that we're up over 45% to date. We have a current minimal drawdown of less than 3%. And we can also verify previous month's data. Again, just under 20% for the month of November and currently sitting at over 21% for December. So from day one till now, if you had started with the minimum deposit, which is only $100, at a 45.1% profit growth, that's over $45 in profit. With a $1,000 account, that's over $450. With a $5,000 account, you're now up over $2,200. A $10,000 account, you're now up over $4,500. And with the $20,000 account, you're now up over $9,030. And again, folks, this is all within 1 month and a half of automated trading. Now, one thing I also want to point out here, as you can see, as of today being Tuesday the 23rd, we haven't earned anything, right? But you can see that we're up for the week almost 5%. Why? Because this is the result of yesterday's profits, which was Monday, where we earned 4.91% for the day alone. So this is important to understand what I mentioned before in regards to the daily projections. Like I said, based off of the past performances, we're averaging around 1 to 3%. Again, some days we earn less, some days we earn more, and some days we don't earn anything at all, like today. Today, we didn't earn anything because we're entering the holiday season. Markets are a little stagnant. There's not a whole lot of volatility, but yesterday, based off of the setups and the conditions, we were able to capitalize more than our projected earnings of just under 5%. This is a great indication to show you that this system does not just trade the markets for the sake of placing trades. It is programmed to enter trades based off of its own risk parameters, provided that we have the proper current market conditions. Now, speaking about risk management, this is another important factor to understand. This system does not risk any more than 1 to 3% per trade, alongside with tight stop losses, which of course is very important to not only capitalize profits, but also mitigate our risk, which is quite evident based on the results that were up over 45% over the last month and a half with a minimal drawdown of less than 3%. So these are very impressive numbers considering the fact that it's the end of the year, it is the holiday season where trading volume is traditionally a lot lower. And the best part is, folks, is like I said earlier, you have access to your profits and your capital at any time, hosted through a regulated broker where the trading is conducted for you on your behalf through its automation. So whether you're someone who's already a trader, maybe you trade on your own, or maybe you're just too busy, you have a busy schedule, you don't have time to analyze charts, or you don't know how to trade, this is a system that anyone can leverage to earn passive profits trading the gold markets. So if you want to learn more about this system, visit our website down below. And I highly encourage you to join our free Telegram group where we're going to be posting daily and weekly updates in regards to performance, results, and any other pertinent information regarding the system. If you have any questions, reach out anytime. I am very excited about this because, as many of you know, I've been trading for 10 years. Over 95% of the content we share here on our channel is all trading education related, where we aspire to teach people how to trade independently. But at the same time, who doesn't love automation to add just a little bit of convenience to our trading and to our lives? So if you want to learn more, visit our website down below, and I look forward to seeing you on the inside of our community. Take care.